At TurfX, we've developed an all-new system for cleaning a synthetic playing surface. From Olympic standard sporting fields to childcare facilities, the all-new TurfX system will result in a cleaner, safer, longer-lasting surface.
And it's a big investment, 1.2, 1.3 million to get a surface put in. It does need to be regularly cleaned, at least twice a year.
The TurfX cleaning technology performs a deep clean, far superior to the traditional brush and chemical methods.
The systems have changed over the years. The biggest thing with this newer field is we have to be very careful, even just loading it with chlorine, particularly when you get your mould and that sort of thing in there. We have to be very careful the amount we do because it'll actually damage the surface.
Being free of abrasive rotating bristles, the TurfX cleaning system results in less wear and tear on your playing surface.
Because of that big investment, we want to make sure that any layer of that surface isn't damaged in any way.
Use of chemicals and foreign material embedded in your surface can result in dangerous conditions.
Any dirt or any bodies within that surface can create stability for the player when their movement, so they could fall over very easily. With it being fully clean, it means they get good traction, good movement with the ball, and there's no issues.
When we developed this system, we considered what would be most important to our customers, and the safety of players was paramount.
The workplace health and safety, we need to ensure that it's clean.
If a player was to suffer cuts or grazes, this could keep them out of the sport for a long period of time.
Especially an open wound and that, if they get chemicals into that wound, that could be quite devastating to their body.
Investing in quality surface maintenance reduces greatly the liability of risks associated with injuries.
And even if that means there is a bit of an outlay, in the long term, it actually works out significantly cheaper for us.
Regular deep cleaning will also extend the lifespan of your surface.
If you're extending that, say, 3-5 years, as opposed to, say, 7 or 10 years replacement, you could be looking at up to 15 years replacement. That's a significant saving in the long term. That's a worthwhile investment.
We're proud of our clean and green, chemical-free system.
We've always been a sustainable association. We believe in maintaining the environment, things like that. So we see that this is a really innovative approach and it's cost-effective in the end, and we really applaud them for that.
TurfX has invested $2 million in 10 years in R&D to create the TX1, the TX2 and soon to be released TX3. Feedback from associations and players has been extremely positive.
We've had no complaints from the players. They've had a really good experience on the field. No injuries, which is always awesome in the game of hockey. From start to end, we had a really a good experience, so we certainly recommend TurfX.
For more information on how to maintain your synthetic surface to its highest quality, visit us at turfx.com.au or call me directly on 0429 233 292.